Welcome to video number 3 of the Shopify video course. And in this video, we're going to be talking about creating collections. And so first, we're going to start off by talking about what collections are. And to do that, I'm going to come over to a website that I'm sure most of you are familiar with. And I chose this because it is featuring items that are in the niche for our test website, Crazy Kayaks. So what I did is I came over to dicksportinggoods.com, and what you're going to do is when you come to any website, they have this drop down and you can choose shop all departments. Now, when you come here, you're going to see all sorts of different categories. You've got shop by sport, footwear, apparel, etc., etc. Everything that you see here, folks, is a collection. Every single one of these. So, your sports, you shop by sports, baseball is a collection, basketball, bikes and cycling, footwear, everything. These are all subcategories, sub-collections of the collection footwear. So as you can see, these are the types of things that you can do on your Shopify website by utilizing collections. So, you can look through here. These are all very good examples. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to see how they do their kayaks, actually, speaking of. So they have shop by sport, kayak and paddle. And you can actually come in here and you can see just about everything that they have to offer. They have kayaks, paddleboarding, canoes, paddles, etc., etc. And so you can see now you could click into kayaks, you could click into canoes, paddles, inflatable boats. So we'll click into kayaks. So as you can see, there's a couple different clicks, and then you get into your main collection of kayaks. So this is your kayak collection. And then within the kayak collection, you have products. So your products that you have and the brands that you have go within the collections that you have. Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're going to create the collections that your products are going to go into. And it's very, very simple to do so. All right, guys, so the first thing that we're going to do here is we're going to come back to the Shopify dashboard, and then we're going to click on the products tab on the side, and then we're going to come down. There's a drop down, and we're going to go to collections. So we click on that, and it's going to bring us to this screen. You're going to notice that the only thing that we have up here is the home page. So what we're going to do is we're going to want to create another collection. Now here, I'm going to just bring this down a little bit, and I'm going to show you, I kind of have this mapped out already for this website specifically, what I want to do for the different collections on the website. And you can do this for yours as well. Once you understand what the collections are for your website, it can save you a little bit of time, and it helps to stay organized. So first, you're going to see this page. This is the collections page. And so you're going to see title. Now that's going to be the name of the collection that you're creating. So for the first one that I'm going to make, we're going to have it called kayaks. The second thing you see here is you're going to see description. Now you can put anything in here. You could put sales copy. This is generally used for SEO purposes, and we could dive into that, but we're just not going to do that right now. So we're just going to leave that blank for now. And we're just going to click upload an image, and we're going to go to kayak. So I've selected a nice little kayak there for our main collection image. And we're going to scroll down a little bit, and then you're going to see conditions. Now there are two ways to sort in your collections. You can manually select products. You can automatically select products to be included in the collection. And so when you click on manual, you can go through by hand. After you click save collection, you can choose each individual product that you would like to use for the collection. And in some cases, this is a good way to go. But for this particular collection, this is a very easy one to do automatically. And I'm going to show you how easy that is to do. It's very simple. So we're going to come down, and then once you click on automatic, this is going to come up right here. So there are different ways to sort. So you can choose how you automatically want to select your product. And we're simply going to do it by product tag. And then all we're going to do is we're going to come down here, and we're going to repeat the exact same collection name as the product tag. And that is going to appear on the product page. On each product page, there's a box similar to these that you can type in, and you just type in kayaks, and every single product that has this tag is going to come into this collection. And it's very easy. So we're simply just going to hit save collection. And voila, we have our first collection created for this website. Now all we're going to do is we're going to click create another collection from this drop down, and we're going to do the exact same thing for our next set. So canoes, upload, canoe, which is our picture, automatically set by product tag, canoes, save collection, create another, and the process repeats. All right, got our images, product tag, accessories, save collection, and there we go. All right, guys, now we're gonna come down here a little bit, and we're gonna come down to the price. We're gonna do this portion, and I'm gonna show you how this works. This is also going to be another automatic collection. It's going to be very easy to do. All right, and then so simply we just come down here. All right, we're not going to upload an image for this one because this isn't going to be one of our main collection pages. This is just going to be on the side as a way to sort, for your customer to sort through your products easier. So now what we're going to do is we're going to come here and we're going to come down. We're going to go to product price. And what we're going to do is, since it's between $50 and $100, we're going to go greater than $50, add another condition, product price is less than $100. Very simple, right? There you go, save collection. Now we're just going to do this exact same thing for all the collections. All right. Oops. All right. And this is automatically going to place all of the items that are in these price ranges into these collections automatically for you, which is going to save you a lot of time. Also makes for a really easy way for your customers to shop. All right, then for our last couple here, we're just going to, so for above 500, it's just going to be simply is greater than 500. And then for this one, it is simply going to be less than 500. So all of the products that are below 500 will be placed in this collection. There. Now guys, you can see we have a bunch of collections here, including our 4 main collections all ready to go. All right, so one last thing we want to do before we're finished is I want to show you about manual collections as well. So we're just going to scroll up, go back to create collections. We're going to come back here and we're going to type in bestsellers. All right, so let's say for example, you want to be able to control what products go into bestsellers. Instead of going automatic, we're just going to click manually this time, and we're simply going to hit save. There, now you have a bestsellers collection, and as you can see down here, you have a products box. And so right here you can click, and once you start, populating this with products that you have, you can actually start typing things in, and they're going to automatically appear. You'll be able to click on a product and add that to this particular collection. So what we're going to do is we're going to do that a couple more times. So we're going to have a bestsellers, we're going to have a featured collection, which is also going to be manual. And again, we have that same product box, and we do the manual. We're going to do one more. We're going to do on sale now. And we're going to manually select those as well. This gives you some choices, this gives you some options to be able to say, okay, what products exactly do I want to feature in these collections? You could, for example, say, what ones do I get the best margins on that I'm able to do the sales on, or, for each one, whatever that may be. This gives you the option to be able to do that for your store. And so that's it for this one, guys. We'll see you in the next video and show you how to upload products.